Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in English grammar, that is chapter 15, is, am, are. Okay, what are the uses of is, am, and are? So here we are going to learn this. So please listen this video very carefully and try to understand the chapter. So first of all, you need to know that am, is, and are also verb. Okay, we have learned that verbs, action words are known as what? Verb. But here these words am, is, and are not showing any action, but just it express what people or thing are. Okay, what people or thing are, that only these words express. So first thing you will learn that what is the use of where we can use am. Okay, always remember with I we will write am. Okay, with I it will go am. I am happy for him. I am excited for tomorrow's picnic. I am sure about the result. I am 10 years old. So with I we will always use am with I. So remember, wherever it is I, we will use am. And you can see here in all 10 example with I, it is used here am. Now use of is. Okay, you need to remember that where we can use is the place where it is talking about any one person or any one thing. If you are talking about any one thing, if you are talking about any one person, animal, or thing, we will use what? We'll use is. Okay, when we are talking about any one person in the present tense. So here the peacock is our national bird. Here we are talking about one peacock. So we will use is. He is a businessman. Okay. He also express one person. So we will use here is. Mr. Mehta is a rich man. Here we are talking about Mr. Mehta, that is one person. So here we will use is. The sky is overcast now. Okay, here we are talking about sky. Okay, so it is one, so we will use is. This is Gitu's bag. There is sandwich on the plate. So all over here we are talking about and only one person, one place, on one thing. In a present tense, there we will use what? Is. Now are. What are the use of are? When we are talking about more than one thing. In the present tense, we are talking about more than. Okay, when we are talking about one thing. Sorry, more than one. Here you can see two girls. Okay, two things. Three trees. So these kiwis are tasty. These kiwis. See here, it is in plural form. Okay, and if you are asking question are you, and remember one thing, that with you also. Okay, with you we are using what? Are. Now where are you? We are late for the movie. We. It means more than one person is here. They are very tired and hungry. They means more than one person. Okay, those trees are very old. Those trees, you can see here trees. Okay, many trees are there, more than one tree. So when we are talking about more than one, there we will use what? Are. So these are the use of is, am and are. This exercise I will send you and you will write it in your book. Hope you all have understand this chapter, and if you are having any doubt, you can clear it uh, by messaging me if you are having any doubt. So go through this chapter and I will send you exercises. Please write it in your book and complete your notes.